Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream at home, only way. Combine 2 cups cream, 1 cup milk, 3/4 cup sugar, and 1 tablespoon vanilla. Warm slightly and stir until sugar dissolves, then cool the mixture fully before churning or freezing. This base yields a creamy, versatile foundation that supports mix-ins and flavors while remaining simple and reliable for home cooks of any experience level. If you have an ice cream maker, pour the chilled base in and churn until thick and scoopable, about 20-30 minutes depending on your machine. For a no-machine method, pour the mixture into a sealed bag with ice and salt and shake until it firms, which takes about 10-20 minutes and is great for families. Always finish by firming in the freezer for at least 2 hours for ideal scoopability. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tasty tutorials. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, which saves time so you can focus on making ice cream. It handles floors while you prep mix-ins and chill bases, and it's surprisingly quiet during churns. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. To create distinct flavors, prepare additions ahead. Toast nuts, chop chocolate, or macerate fruit with a little sugar. Swirl fruit puree in during the last stir for ribbons of flavor, or fold in crunchy mix-ins at the end to preserve texture. Taste as you go and adjust sweetness or flavor intensity. A little salt can enhance sweetness, and extracts should be used cautiously to keep the profile balanced and natural.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.